Hello traders, welcome to Quantsap. My name is Diljit and today we're gonna understand how you can use Synopsis OI. Okay, so what is Synopsis? Synopsis, as the name suggests, it is like a summary or it's a gist. Okay, so Synopsis OI, which you can see here in Quantsap, it gives you a summary or it gives you an overview of what we can see or what is happening in the market, in the futures, in the options and overall futures and options volume. Okay, so if before starting, if you are new here, you can sign up to Quantsap and you can unlock 20 plus free tools which will help you in your options trading journey. Now, if you want to know how or what Quantsap is providing, what kind of strategies and what kind of tools we are having, you can go here in the learn section. You can watch the videos and you can understand how the Quantsap strategies works. Now, if you have any doubts or queries further on, you can come here at the support section. You can write us, you can WhatsApp us, and we'll try to help you out. Right? So let's jump on to the topic. Now, what is synopsis? Synopsis is the gist, as we discussed, that it's the gist of the market. So we can see all the data. So in the shorter form, what we are seeing is the price up, price down, OI up, and OI down. So what we are seeing is the price, whatever the stocks which are having the top 5 stocks, top bottom stocks we are seeing today. With that, we are seeing the OI up, wherever the OI is increasing, that we are seeing, and with that we are seeing where the OI is down. Okay, so as you can see, CG Power, CAMS, Manapuram, Adani Green, Poonawalla. So these are few stocks which are showing you good potential for the upside, or where the OI is increasing. That means the contract sizing is increasing here. The contracts have been increased. So what is it indicating you? It is indicating you that somewhere if the contracts are increasing, that means somewhere you can see a good volatility or good volume in the particular stock. If I just go zoom in on the particular tool, as you can see, this is giving you a gist of all the stocks with the built up. So the colors of the built up is identified. Long built up is suggesting you the bullish intention or the buyers entering. Long unwinding is suggesting you where the buyers are exiting or booking their profit. Short built up is suggesting you the sellers are entering, and similarly here we are seeing in short covering that the sellers are exiting. So you can see it has been in a like a overall box form. You can see all the stocks data where you are seeing short built up, where you are seeing unwinding. See, it is very easy for you to identify, and this is only on the basis of price, change in price and change in OI, and on the basis of that we identify whether what kind of built up we are seeing here. So this is the futures OI. Okay, so wherever we are seeing long built up, you can identify that the buyers are entering here. You can identify stocks for those for the intraday basis, right? So this is the giving you a view for the futures. Okay, similarly you can go on the option OI. Okay, now option OI is a little interesting here, because what we are seeing is we are seeing multiple data. Okay, because see, again, when we talk about options, okay, so in the options we are not having just a buy or a sell option. We are having 4 different options what you can go for. You can first of all buy a call, so that will be a long call. Second thing what you can do is you can buy a put. Okay, so whenever you're buying a call, your expectation is bullish or upside. Similarly, in long put, your expectation is bearish. That means you are buying a put option. Okay, now when we talk about short call is suggesting you that we are selling the call. So again, when you're selling the call, your intentions here are that the price should go down. Okay, just a second. Yeah, the price should go down. Similarly, short put is suggesting you that the price should go up and people can sell the put at that particular point. So these are the intentions what you can take, or these are the 4 options which you can go for. Now, which option is being the mostly active traded here, that you can identify. So in the long call, you are seeing the mostly active strike is 1740 of Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel's 1740 strike is the most active strike where we are seeing call buying happening. Okay, almost we are seeing the OI increasing of 3800% increase in the OI, and the price change, if we talk about the price change, is around 31% positive. So overall the particularly the OI and the price is increasing. On the basis of that we can identify that there is a buying happening in the call side. With that, now let's talk about put option. So you can see here also we are seeing the put options OI is increasing, almost 3300% is increasing, and the price change of the put option is almost 161. So what we are seeing is that the price is falling downwards. So there you can enter, you can enter, or you can particularly identify such stock that Glenmark is indicating you a bearishness for the given current scenario. Now, if we talk about the expiry, so expiry is also given to you that these are the expiry in which what we are seeing the trading happening. You can see the volume in the lots also. Okay. Now next, as we talk about, now we are seeing selling in the call side. If we are seeing call sellers active, okay, just a second, I'll just clean it up. Now if we are seeing call selling is happening, so you can see there is a change in OI, almost around 10,000% change we are seeing in the call side, and as you can see the price change is negative. Okay, so what we are seeing is that the calls is being sold here. Okay, so call options are being sold, that's why the price is going negative. You can see almost the volume lots are also identified to you. Okay, now with that, now we talk about the short put. So in the short put, what we are seeing is the put being sold. So you can see the OI increasing here and the put options price being negative. So simply just by identifying that which of the top stocks are there where we are seeing call option being bought. Okay, so we need to see the call option being bought and put option being sold. So both in green color, if we are seeing one stock which is having both similarities, you can pick out the stock for the bullish intention. So if we see Page industry is looking good in the put selling, and Page industry is looking good in the call buying. So Page industry as an overall you could have taken as a, Page industry you can take as a bullish intention, or you can take it into a upside positive view you can take from the stock. Now again, when we talk about put option buying or short calling or selling the call, so we can see mostly we are seeing Glenmark here. Okay, so Glenmark we are seeing the puts are being bought. Okay, but you can see on the next month expiry also we are seeing put being bought. So somewhere that somewhere what we are seeing here is that the trend or the particular trades are directed for a longer term, because it is going for the next month expiry also. Okay, now with that similarity, if we find in the short call, okay, so in the short call we are finding Reliance ITC is there. Okay, now if we find a similar stock where we can see both, I believe there is no comparison here. Okay, so today the market was a little mildly, we were seeing long unwinding, but after that, in the other half, in the second half, we had seen a covering by the shorts, and we are seeing mostly the prices went on the bullish side only. So we are not seeing a short trades here, because the market is giving you a overall bullish gesture. So if it's giving you a bullish gesture, you can only check out the bullish stocks, and that will help you indicate stocks. Now this was an interesting point, but again this is the initiation. Okay, so whenever you're buying a call, whenever you're selling a call, whenever you're buying a put, or whenever you're selling a put, this is the points what you can see. Now when do you unwind, or when do you square off? So that is also mentioned here, or that is also what you can analyze. Okay, so if we go down, you can see unwinding of all the side. Okay, so now what we are seeing is the unwinding. So wherever the OI is negative, that we are seeing here. So call being unwinded, call buyers are exiting from, what is this, PIND, HDFC Life. Put sellers are buyers are unwinding from Ambuja Cement, SBI Card. IGL में we are seeing call sellers unwinding their position. So call sellers are removing from IGL and Hindustan Unilever, and put sellers are exiting from HDFC Bank. That means somewhere we can see a downward momentum in the particulars. So you can identify such stocks and you can direct your momentum, or you can create a direction for yourself using the options OI. Now last we'll talk about FNO volume. Okay, just a second. So in the FNO volume, what we are seeing here is the total volume what you can see in the FNOs that you are seeing here. So as you can see, most traded futures. So we are seeing Reliance, Bharti Airtel, HDFC, SBIN. So these 4-5 stocks are having the most traded futures. Now below that you can see most traded leaps. So leaps are basically six months, 1 year far away expiries. You can even trade in that. So you can see 27 March put option being traded most, 27 March call option also being traded the most. So almost like you are having trades. You can see the lots also in the volume size here. Now next we can see most traded index call option, most traded index put option. So you can simply by the identification that you are seeing the most volume being traded in this call and most traded volume in this put option. So that can identify or that can help you select the particular strike, and you can make entries precisely whenever you are getting a good situation in your technical chart. You can initiate your trade in this given particular strike because we are seeing the most action in the particular strike. So this was the index call option and put option. Now you can see the same you can see in the put options, in the stock options also. So here you can see the put options in the stock and the call option in the stocks. You can see data of both. So you can see Reliance is here in the call option, HAL is there, Bharti Airtel is there. Okay, so these are the stocks where we are seeing a little bullishness, and the call options are being in demand here. And similarly in put options we are seeing again, see call option if Reliance is in demand, put option also Reliance is in demand. So what we can see is the Reliance is in a good oscillating trend. You can find trades on the either side depending on your technical analysis, right? So this way you can identify the FNO volume also with the help of this Synopsis tool. Okay, so the tool looks small, but again it is having a wide view. So you can use this tool and identify the options view or the options perspective. You can take the futures perspective and you can see where the most of the volumes are being traded, and you can select the specific strike, you can select the specific options, and you can direct or decode a direction for yourself, right? So I hope you got the content. Thank you so much guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more such videos.